His Excellency Limpo Dr. Thandi Dorji, His Excellency Major General Vetsop Namgyal, His Excellency Ruchira Kamboj, and friends, I am today delighted to sign this MOU because with Bhutan we have symbiotic relationship. We have so many common things and therefore our cooperation has always been intense. As you rightly said, earlier MOU was signed in 2013. We are doing it after 8 years. But it is a new pathway for environmental cooperation, waste management, because I see Bhutan is a big tourist attraction, and wherever there is tourist attraction, we have to be very careful and systematic and ensure proper waste collection and disposal. At the same time, as you know that our Forest Academy trains 2 Bhutanese officers every year in every batch. We are proud of them. They are doing very good work in Bhutan and they are the best cadets in our academy. We are now going to Glasgow. We share many things, and this time I want to engage with Bhutanese environment ministers and other delegation, because on many issues we can have common ground. Because we are in the same topic, we are victims of the climate change. And therefore, we can work together, and India has implemented its Paris commitments. We are on track and we will even overachieve of our targets. We are old friends, particularly in our cooperation in hydropower sector. 3 projects are already working, 2000 plus megawatts, and more than that, 3 hydropower projects are under construction. More important is, Bhutan is also developing fast, and so our cooperation in airspace, in ICT, in fintech, in agriculture, to irrigation, media, health, tertiary education, school education, scholarships, labor, human resources development, roads, energy, urban development, in judiciary, culture, etc. is very important. Our cooperation is practically in all fields because, as I said, we have symbiotic relationship. And in India, we are very happy with 4,000 Bhutanese students taking admission every year. They come here and they are loved by Indians because they are part of the society. They assimilate so nicely. So this is our cooperation, and we are building our cooperation further taking the cooperation to a new level through this MOU. And therefore, I reciprocate that you also are most eagerly invited to India, because we are in the last stage of this second wave. So we will be out of the thick, and we will definitely are taking all precautions. And I hope that there will not be third wave, because world has suffered a lot during this pandemic. Every country has suffered. And therefore, I will ever like to come to Bhutan, because that is one place which I have never visited, and because that is the most beautiful place in the world. And therefore, I accept your invitation, and this MOU will open up new vistas for our bilateral cooperation to a new level. Thank you, and we are very happy.